Hi there, I'm back, and yes, we're continuing with our getting ready to refuel in order to make our new entrances. But today I want to talk to you about the importance of staying focused. Stay focused on what it is you are supposed to do. There will be distractions. There will be people who want to make you get upset. It doesn't do you any good to sit around and complain about them or broadcast that you got upset. What did I say a few episodes ago? Don't let it show. Don't let it show. To the extent it's possible, keep your composure. Bite your tongue. Speak up when it's important. Definitely. There's this thing called pushback, and we'll talk about that a little later. But when you're on social networking sites and you're looking to be referred to opportunities and you're looking for people to say, this is someone I know and they're very qualified, or I've met them through whatever social media environment it is, and they sound like they've got a lot on the ball. You want them to be saying that about you. You had a bad employer, you had a bad association, your friend turned out to be not the best thing since sliced bread. You may want to talk about it in an interview. You may be in a situation where they'll ask, what was the most negative thing you've ever experienced? You don't have to tell the whole truth. You don't have to tell about your emotions and how emotional you got. Figure out a positive way to put it and share that. And come away, do the closing talking about what you learned from the experience, how you grew from the experience, and then leave it at that. And not only leave it at how you grew from the experience, maybe turn the question around. What are some of the challenges your company or your organization has faced, and how can I help you overcome them? Stay positive. Put your best foot forward. We're getting you refueled. Stay positive. This is Yvonne LaRose. I'll talk to you next time.